Community Schools has always benefited from exceptional community support. The community has always worked well together, including our students, staff, families, community members, and businesses. In recent years, the community has extended support to such causes as the renovation of the softball field, the purchase of new band uniforms, restoration of the track, maintenance of our roads, and many other smaller projects throughout the school district. The community has consistently supported bond requests in the past and has been almost 10 years since the last millage.
Saranac Schools employees have worked hard to maintain aging facilities, grounds, and furnishings. Local and state grant committees have also awarded funds to maintain technology for use by our teachers and students. An assessment of our district needs in the fall of 2017 showed that we have numerous facility needs that cannot be addressed through our current funding. Some of our facilities and furnishings date back to the 1960s, including mechanical and electrical systems, which are now over 50 years old.
This bond proposal will not result in a millage increase, but will extend the current bond millage. This will allow our district to make the necessary improvements to our buildings, classrooms, and facilities with a 0 mill increase.
This bond proposal includes major upgrades to both the junior-senior high school and the elementary school, including secure vestibule entrances in both buildings, flooring and roofing updates, a remodeled junior-senior high school office, and mechanical and architectural updates to junior-senior high school classrooms, converting some of our oldest spaces still using 1960s architecture and furnishings to areas capable of properly encouraging 21st century learning through collaborative learning and technology.
These improvements will help achieve our highest priorities of educating children in an environment that is safe and comfortable for students, staff, parents, and visitors. The benefits of these upgrades will be recognized not only by current students, but by future Saranac students for years to come.
Improvements to the quickly deteriorating roads behind the junior-senior high and leading to the elementary school will also be accommodated through this bond, reducing repair costs for roads that need nearly constant maintenance and repair in their current state.
A successful bond will also allow the district to continue to update our bus fleet through the purchase of 6 new buses. Saranac Community Schools added 2 new buses this year, but we are still transporting students daily with buses that are over 20 years old. Our mechanics have done an excellent job of maintaining safe buses for student transport, but some of our vehicles are nearing the end of their useful lives.
Any registered voter living in the Saranac Community School District may vote in the election May 8th.
Small schools, big results.
Small schools, big results.
Small school, big results.
Small school, big results.
Small school, big results.